Easy date. Recipes for every meal. Sweet and savory delights. Unlock the secret superfood. Dates in every meal. Imagine transforming a humble date into a gourmet experience. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even dessert. Often underrated, dates are a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition, adding a naturally sweet, caramel-like richness to both sweet and savory dishes. Whether you're looking for a quick energy boost in the morning, a unique twist on your lunch, or an elegant dinner recipe for a romantic night, dates have you covered. Get ready to explore an array of easy, delicious, and surprising date recipes that will make your meals extraordinary. Date night delights, a sweet and savory introduction. Forget the idea that dates are only for desserts. This video will showcase how you can incorporate dates into every meal, elevating flavors, textures, and nutritional benefits. From simple breakfasts to gourmet dinners. These recipes are perfect for even the busiest food lovers. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or planning a special date night, these easy-to-make recipes will impress everyone at the table. Breakfast. Bliss, sweet and savory date, morning delights. Start your morning on a high note with these quick and nutritious date-based recipes. Date-infused breakfast smoothie. Blend dates with bananas, almond milk, and a dash of cinnamon for a naturally sweet and creamy drink packed with energy. Date and nut energy bars. Perfect for on-the-go mornings. These no-bake bars combine chopped dates, almonds, oats, and honey for a satisfying snack. Date and goat cheese, stuffed pastries. A unique twist on breakfast pastries, blending sweet dates with tangy goat cheese inside flaky puff pastry. Sophisticated, yet simple. Bari ghee, lunchtime indulgence, date-inspired lunchtime treats. Lunch just got a whole lot tastier with these innovative date recipes. Date and avocado salad. A refreshing mix of creamy avocado, crunchy nuts, and sweet dates drizzled with a tangy lemon dressing. Date and chicken wrap. Juicy grilled chicken, sliced dates, crisp lettuce, and a light yogurt sauce wrapped in a whole wheat tortilla for a perfect midday meal. Date and lentil soup. A warm, hearty soup where dates add a depth of sweetness, balancing out the earthy flavors of lentils and spices. Chachan, dinner date. Delight, romantic date night recipes. Looking to impress at dinner? Try these gourmet yet simple date-infused dishes. Date and balsamic glazed chicken. A juicy chicken dish with a glossy, tangy sweet date and balsamic reduction. Restaurant quality right at home. Date and walnut stuffed salmon. A buttery salmon fillet stuffed with a mixture of dates, walnuts, and fresh herbs, baked to perfection. Date and lentil vegetarian curry. A delicious plant-based curry where dates bring a unique sweetness to balance the rich spices and coconut milk. Ending on a sweet note, delicious date, dessert options. No meal is complete without a decadent dessert, and dates make the perfect, naturally sweet ingredient. Date and chocolate truffles. Blend dates with cocoa powder, roll them in coconut flakes or crushed nuts, and enjoy a guilt-free treat. Date and coconut cookies. Chewy, sweet, and packed with a tropical twist, these cookies will become your new favorite snack. DIY, date-based desserts. Encourage your creativity by experimenting with different date-based desserts, date caramel, sticky toffee pudding, or even date-sweetened ice cream. Why you should try these date recipes. Today, naturally sweet and healthy. Dates are a fantastic natural sweetener packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Simple and quick. These recipes require minimal effort but deliver maximum flavor. Perfect for every occasion. Whether it's a solo meal, family gathering, or romantic dinner, there's a date recipe for every situation. Try these recipes and let us know your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and easy meal ideas.